Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. If you're watching for Facebook, thank you for joining. If you're watching from YouTube, thank you for joining. So guys, I'm just doing my morning routine and all that. So I'm just using this CeraVe product to wash my face and all that. So I want to take you guys along what I will be doing throughout the day, like not throughout the day entirely, just like the morning and afternoon, so and all that. So I'm just trying to wash it very well, like massage it and all that. Then I left it on my face. I decided to finish all my house chores before I wash it out. Yes, that's what I did. So guys, this is me just washing my plate and all that. So this is the plate we used in eating yesterday night, and I'm washing it in the morning because when I finish cooking it was very late. So I just have to wash the plates before I start to do any other thing in the house and all that. So guys, please, if you're just coming across this video for the very first time, do not forget to follow this page. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So guys, in this video, this is actually me recovering from my sick bed, but I am grateful to God Almighty. Thank God I am getting better now. I am fine. Like the cough, the catarrh, and all those things, like they are going gradually. If you watch throughout this video, you see that I do not get to cough like that. Like I do not cough, like I do not blow my nose, to tell you that I'm getting better. Okay, because the malaria and the fever it dealt with me. Like I've not sick like this before, but thank God for everything. So I am getting better now. So this is me just cleaning my television and all that. I'm using this mirror cleaner. This one is for mirror cleaner. You can use it to clean your mirror, you can use it to clean your television and all that. So yes, so basically this is for mirror. So but I normally use it for my television, because if I use the other one, it will leave the mark, like something like mark, as if the thing did not clean very well. So it will leave it there. So I'm just trying to clean everywhere, and this is me trying to clean this microwave, like, because the microwave is not that dirty like that. But sometimes when you microwave some food, like when you soup that food that has oil and all that, it will stain inside. So I'm just using this my sponge, make sure that there is no oil inside that place, because this microwave have not working, never working money at all. So you need to work so hard. So I changed the water. This one is the new water that I'm using to clean again. So I finished cleaning and all that. So How you want to do the shoe now? You want to wash them? See Percy shoe. See shoe everywhere. See shoe. You the pack. You go the pack, huh? Not be the one we don't carry go Nigeria. Oh. See for outside. Wash them, oh. Not be say you go say you want pack and come out. You not go wash them. Well done. May I go continue my see shoe. See shoe for. See shoe for everywhere. The one where you pack, go give your friend that day. See shoe. New shoe, oh. See. New shoe. Filler. Nike. Nike. Now me buy you this shoe that time. That time we love the shark me. See, Adidas. This one Puma. This one of your favorite shoe that year. See them. See all of them. This white shoe. See, this white shoe now Nike. They pack they come out small. This shoe you not buy that day. They like say you want their Nike. See, this one what do they call them? Versace. Where you almost use 500 euro to buy. Good. See, this one very cost. Alexander Queen. See this one. See this one. Oh, very new shoe. Only you never even wear this shoe. See this one. Hey, Puma. Pack the come out. I'll carry the go Nigeria. May I go pack the put for resale store. This is your throwaway. The worst day of my life. Like the worst day of my life. I don't even know say this carton safe of this soap the carton the down like the thing don't open. Hi. Think pay me sha. But thank God I get to put it inside this nylon and all that. Because I want to wash, so I just on the washing machine now and all that. So this like I was so freaking hungry like this. Child. Just imagine when you try to do something at the end of the day, the thing will just come through like this, come through for inside clothes. See the one way it can remain. So guys, I want to go and throw my dirty away. I don't know if it's only me or it not go even reach 3 days for house. Dirty don't full. Like this basket and that other one they used to put food. As I go, they wonder say how many things person can't shop for this house. We be say person go just dirty go full everywhere. Not so person they chop. I don't tire. I don't ask this question many times. I don't they talk say every day, 2 days, sometimes 2 days, 3 days, dirty don't full. This dirty, we live in the job and reach like 3 times in a week. Oh, ask me waiting with a chop. Just only two of us. Ask me waiting with a chop for this house. Not be juju be that. Hey. I never put trousers. Check out for them. You're $80.
I don't know which one.
When
As for that, they go gym now. He say he want go run. Now say I beg now. May you do me video. May I go through it. First time, I can't see person may video me. I'll call the waka they go. I can't see person may video me. He say no fit. Hey God, wow, life of a content creator, you know easy. I begged him, please hold the camera for me before you hold the camera. If you see the way in the waka self now, so the camera they shake, they shake for long. Me you waka fast now, so me where they do content now, so me take the whole camera. Me where you the video, me the front. You see where you go there. See my bicycle where I walk. Now yeah, I threw me I put yesterday. Because I know say they're not good collect and the break never good again. As in
This is Samuel, sir. Samuel.
go do your jogging. Aye. So guys, after cleaning and washing before Obi came back, I've already started preparing and all that. So this is my butter and all that. So basically the food is ready. I don't want to take you guys along because I will not want this video to be, you know now. So my jollof rice, like these days I don't like plain like Nigeria jollof rice, that kind of Nigeria jollof rice. I like to put carrot and these green beans. Like I like to put carrot and these green beans. Like it's very head, like I don't know what to call it. Like it's very heady when you are eating it like this, where you put carrot and green beans and all that. So guys, come and join me. My food is ready. Yeah. My food is ready. I'm just eating my food like all that. I've not washed my face, so after cooking and everything, that thing is in my face. I did not wash it out. I say if I as in I just wanted to clean, cook, do my house chores and all that before I will wash it out. Then I'll go and take my bath. So that is it. Just eating my food, enjoying my food. Please guys, come and join me. If I did not call you, come and join me. I'm sorry. To go and take my bath now. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video.